Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a quick tutorial for Potomac beads for the December box of Winter Luminescence. And I'm going to do 3 quick pairs of earrings. Just if you get Potomac beads and you have some extra beads left over. I went into the Czech glass mix that we got. Now, like I said in my other video, I didn't get a chance to do a tutorial before the first of the year because my dad was in the hospital and we were all sick. So I'm not going to do any Christmas videos. I'm just doing some other ones. So I did a necklace, and that will already be posted before I post this. And I'll leave a link below to that. And I just pulled out like some of these gorgeous angel wings. And so these are the 3 pairs of earrings that I'm making. Just wanted to use these up. These beads were so pretty. So these are the 3 that I'm going to be making today. And just kind of fun earrings. I've been doing a lot of craft fairs lately, and I have a lot more coming up, and I've been selling a ton of my jewelry. So that's why I wanted to use up these beads and make some really fun earrings with them. So if you are not familiar with the Potomac beads, this is the Winter Luminescence. This is the treasure box. And then it came with a bunch of stuff in there. I also have an unboxing. I'll leave the link below if you're interested in seeing everything that was in the box. I'm not going to go through it today because I'm going to do this tutorial. But the box is priced, if you do it just order it monthly, it's $39.99. If you price it quarterly, it's $34.99, so you save $60 a year. And if you price it annually, it's $29.99, so you save $120 a year. And let me tell you, $29.99 for this box with all these gorgeous gemstones, Czech glass, everything. These are stainless steel metal spacer beads, the premium 24 karat rose gold plated. I mean, they've got a lot of beautiful quality beads in here, so it's a steal. It's a steal even if you just buy it monthly. So, yeah, so I'm going to use some of the Czech glass smooth rondelles here, and I have been having a blast. I've had everything out, and I'm just having a blast. So, I have, let me see how long these head pins are. I think these are 2 inches. Yeah. Okay. So I have some gold 2-inch head pins. And the first one I want to make is this one right here. And I just used the angel wings and I pointed the half circles going in opposite directions. So we're going to start with some of these rose gold spacer beads. I'm bringing them there. So we're going to start with the rose gold spacer bead, and then the Czech glass rondelle, and then we're going to do another gold, and then this. So far, this is what we have. And then I'm going to do this combo right here of the rose gold, the orange rondelle, and that again. like that. And then we're gonna point this going upwards like that. So it's got a fun look to it. Then we're gonna do the rose gold, the rondelle, and the rose gold again. So we have that. Then I'm gonna take 2 of these gorgeous beads, and these have that little swirl of purple in them. Some of them don't. Some of them just have more white. So I tried to pick ones that looked kind of even. You know what these remind me of? These remind me of cat eyes. I don't know if any of you played marbles. I know I'm aging myself. We didn't have electronics back then, so that's how we had fun. But some of these, where it's just inside the metal, they remind me of cat eyes. So I have this right here. And then I'm just taking my round nose pliers, bending that just a teeny bit, and then bringing this around so it's closed up like that. And I'm taking one of my ear wires, opening it up, putting this on. And this is the first pair. Look how cute those are. These would be so much fun to wear. Okay, I'm putting those. You want to keep them so you can look at them as I'm doing the other ones. Okay, next let's do this green one. This one was really fun. I don't know if I had, I told the story in another video. You know, when you make jewelry and sometimes, you know, you'll make something and you're like, oh, this is so much green. I don't know if anybody's going to like it. Well, I did a craft show a couple months ago and I made these 2 orange pairs of earrings, and I made them and I thought they were so pretty, but I'm like, nobody's going to like these. Nobody likes orange. And this woman walked into my craft booth and she grabbed those both pairs. She was dressed head to toe in orange and she said, I want to buy these. She goes, can you tell I like orange? So if you're making your jewelry to sell, go outside the box and do colors even that you don't like. Not that I don't like orange, but I don't normally wear a lot of orange. But because somebody else will like it, you know. So, yeah, it's just my little tidbit there. So I'm going to do this gorgeous, I did the rose gold and that. I'm just putting a rose gold in between each. Did that. Now I'm going to do, there's 2 different greens. There's this green right here. So I'm going to do that like that. And then do the rose gold. And then one of these gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous green Czech glass beads. And then these. I love when they give us this bag. So then that's that. So that's my second pair. But I love when they give us this mix because you can do so much with it. You know, a lot of times there's only like 2 or 4 of one kind of bead, and you know, you can make a pair of earrings with them or put it on a necklace. Not that I don't love all the long, beautiful strands too, but it's kind of fun. You get some funky little beads in there, you know, and we'll just throw in 1 or 2, and they can really jazz up a necklace or a pair of earrings. Okay, so that's the second pair. And here is the first pair. Right there. And now I'm going to make these cool ones. And these ones I'm going to put the angel wings facing each other. So see, look at how different those look just by how you point them. Okay. So the third one is going to be the rose gold spacer, the rondelle bead, another rose gold spacer, and we're going to do the green like that, and the rose gold spacer. So it's like that. Then we're going to do the angel wings like that. And I'm going to put this gorgeous green one in there. And then put that like that. And then put this here. And then this is the third one. You bend it out that way a little bit. Just want to make sure I got everything. Yes. Okay. Okay, so open that up. And then you close this. And then you've got these beautiful pairs of earrings. So yes, I will definitely be taking this and working with these, definitely. And I have a container that all of the beads that I don't use from the box, because since the company sends me a box every month, if I, need a bead or something, I like to pull out one of their past beads. So like I do the Miyuki seed beads, or I have the purple ones, but so I have a huge thing, and so what I don't use, I put in there, and then I reuse it at some point for something else. So so yeah, so here's 3 quick pairs of earrings. Let me know down in the comments what you think. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I will leave links to my Etsy, my Instagram, my Facebook, and my Pinterest pages if you would like to follow me on any of those. And if you are not following me on YouTube, please do so. And I would love it if you would like, share, and subscribe, because it really helps my channel. It helps the algorithms. So the more that you comment and you like it, and even if you share it, that would be great. So I will see you on my next video, and thank you so much for watching, and you have a great day.